I'm sure you've heard the news. Social media is crucial for Amazon sellers. But are you making these 10 mistakes? Mistake 11. No video content? In 2025, that's like shouting into a void. Get on those reels, TikToks and shorts. Mistake 12. Hashtags. You're using the wrong ones or way too many. Smart hashtags help people find you. Mistake 13. Ignoring comments and customer feedback. That's like hanging up on a customer in your store. Bad look. Mistake 14. Reposting your Amazon listing photos. That's not content, it's copy-paste laziness. Mistake 15. No brand voice. If your posts could belong to anyone, they belong to no one. Mistake 16. No ads or boosted posts. Organic is great, but paid gets you scale. Mistake 17. No giveaways or contests. These boost engagement and grow your following faster than anything. Mistake 18. Never sharing customer testimonials. Real words from real people equal trust and social proof. Mistake 19. Ghosting your audience. One post here, another in 2 weeks. That's how you kill momentum. Mistake 20. Not tracking what works. If you're not using insights, you're flying blind. Perfection doesn't sell. Connection does. Show up, stay consistent, and give your audience a reason to care before your competitor does. Happy selling!